Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium. I'll be using 2 strands of yarn together, and the crochet hook that I'm using is in size 5.5 millimeters. So I will start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 9. So now that we have chain 9 on the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch, and now I'll chain 6, and through the next chain I'll make 1 treble crochet. I'll chain 4, then through the 4th chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now again through that same chain I'll make 1 more treble crochet. Again I'll chain 4, then through this next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now again I'll chain 5. Now through that next chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. Again I'll chain 5. Now through this next chain I will make a slip stitch. Again I'll chain 5. Then through this next chain I'll make 2 treble crochet through that same chain. Now I'll chain 5, then through this next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4, and now through this next chain I will make 2 treble crochet. So through that same chain I'll make 2 treble crochet. And now I'll chain 4, then right there to the 4th chain from the hook I will make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 5, then right here through the last chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I will cut this yarn. Let's see if I chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to see if 8 is enough. Alright, let's see. See. Alright. 9. We have 9, this will be 9, well 9, and we chain plus 5, so alright, so we have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're gonna wrap this around our butterfly, and now see here through the 9th chain we'll make a slip stitch. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right there through that, so right there through the 9th chain, I'll make a slip stitch. And then I'll chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if this works. It actually does. So now we can just cut this yarn. And see what did we come up with here. Alright, so 1, 2. Alright, so now I'll just trim the ends here, and the same for another one. And there you go. It'll be, it's 4 inches wide. 4 inches wide.